How to update your Finelo payment method. So need to swap out your credit card or update your billing on Finelo. This year, keeping your subscription active is key to hitting those trading milestones. And today I'm showing you the 3 ways to change your payment method depending on how you joined the platform. So if you signed up on the Finelo website, you need to go to this particular link. So go to this link. Then just click on your profile icon or settings, look for the subscription or billing section. In here, you'll see the current card. Now, click Change Payment Method to enter your new card details. Finelo uses secure encryption, so your info is safe. And once you hit Save, this becomes your default for next billing cycle. And then, did you subscribe through the app store? You won't find payment settings inside the Finelo app itself. So for that, you open your iPhone settings, tap your name at the top, and go to Payment and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Method, or select your existing card to update it. Since Finelo is a Apple-built service in this case, Apple handles the transaction. Once updated here, your Finelo subscription will automatically bill the new card. On Android, it's a similar story. Open up your Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon, and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Payments Methods, and then to add a new card or update an old one. If you see a payment failed message even after updating, check your email for a confirmation from support@finelo.com. Finelo's support team is very active on Reddit and Trustpilot, so if you're stuck, send them a DM with your account email and they can manually reset your billing trigger. And this is how you keep your Finelo lessons running without interruption. If this quick guide helped you out, like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.